Roll it up and attach it to the window. Your place will be cooler right away without air conditioning or exterior blinds. First, get a roll of thermal insulation foil. Draw a line along the length you want for the shade. Cut the foil along that line. Next, take any small wooden strip or plastic rod and mark the width of the shade on it. Cut it to size. Then place it at one end of the foil and staple it on. Do it close together so it stays secure. Now roll the foil up tightly with the silver side facing out. Roll it from the side with the strip. Stick double-sided tape to the outer edge like I did. This tape will hold the shade to the window frame. You'll also need it to attach the string. Stick the string on the same way. Now attach the shade to the window frame. Finally, stick a hook or hanger above it. When the sun is out, leave the shade down. When it's cooler, just roll it up and hook it. And that's it. It's all ready. Don't spend thousands on air conditioning. This pharmacy item costs less than $1. During summer, window glass heats up very quickly. As a result, large amounts of sunlight enter your home and raise the indoor temperature. It only takes a few minutes of strong sunshine for the glass to start radiating heat into the room. That's why your home gets hotter with every passing hour. On especially hot days, the temperature indoors can quickly become uncomfortable, even if you keep the windows closed. If you don't have air conditioning or exterior shutters, this simple trick may help. A standard emergency blanket has two sides, one silver and one gold. The silver side reflects a large portion of the sun's rays, allowing less heat to reach the window glass. That means less heat is transferred into your home throughout the day. That's exactly why emergency blankets have been used for years to help protect against both high and low temperatures. Fill a spray bottle with plain water. Carefully measure the window and cut the emergency blanket to the right size. Lightly spray the glass with water and press the blanket onto the window. Smooth the surface with a soft cloth, removing any air bubbles. Make sure the silver side faces outside and the gold side faces the room. This helps reflect most of the sun's rays before they can heat up the glass. You'll get the best results on south or west facing windows because they receive the most direct sunlight. It's a simple, inexpensive solution that takes only a few minutes to install and can help reduce indoor heat during hot summer days. If you know someone struggling with the heat at home, be sure to share this trick with them. You don't need to install an expensive air conditioner. This kind of fan can cool the entire apartment. Just take a regular fan and also prepare a styrofoam box, preferably one intended for food purposes. You will also need 2 plastic pipes. Using a pen, trace the ends of each pipe onto the lid of the box. This is important because you will insert the plastic pipes there later. Then, using a heated tool, make holes in the lid. Do this carefully so that the box is airtight once the pipes are inserted. Now prepare the next part of the air conditioner. Take 2 large bottles, such as those used for beverages or water. Cut them so that the upper part remains intact. Then, attach the bottles to the previously prepared pipes, which you can reinforce with tape for better airtightness. If the pipes have plastic ends, cut them off. Use the heated tool again to make 2 holes in each bottle. It is important that they are opposite each other. Pass the pipes with the bottles through the prepared holes in the lid of the styrofoam box. Attach the bottle ends to the fan using zip ties, one on the front and the other on the back side of the fan. This air conditioner is almost ready. All you need to do is put ice into the container. The more ice you use, the colder the air that will be blown out. Just a few seconds after adding the ice and turning on the fan, cold air starts blowing. The effect is amazing. It works like a real air conditioner. This kind of air conditioner is a lifesaver on hot days. You will avoid a large expense and can enjoy air conditioning at home. Do you leave your window blind halfway down? You're making a big mistake. A half-lowered exterior blind in summer can actually be dangerous. Most people have no idea. Window and blind manufacturers don't mention this. During sunny months, blinds need to be used the right way. It's important that the blind is either fully open or fully closed. If you leave it halfway, like it is now, you might end up needing to replace your window pane in the summer. Why? When the sun shines directly on the glass, there's a huge temperature difference between the top and bottom parts of the pane. Unfortunately, that causes problems. The glass can become damaged and crack. It's just basic physics. And unfortunately, those kinds of cracks aren't covered by any warranty. No one will reimburse you for the cost of replacing the glass if the damage is caused by a half-lowered blind. So don't make this mistake again, and make sure to use your blinds correctly during the summer. You only need 2 things to make a homemade air conditioner. I'm sure you haven't heard of this method for home cooling yet. It's significantly cheaper and produces amazing results. You can create it in less than 15 minutes. Prepare 2 bottles. Cut off their bottoms at about the same height as I did. Then, make holes in the bottles. You can use a soldering iron or even toothpicks. Leave about 4 centimeters from the cap without holes. This will be important later. Now take a fan and remove its cover to make it easier to work with. Get 4 zip ties and attach the bottles. You'll need 2 zip ties per bottle. Attach them to the fan's wires and the holes in the bottles. If you have any excess plastic, cut it off. We can now close the fan. Our final step is to put ice into the bottles. When you turn on the fan, the ice will help the fan produce an air conditioning effect. If the ice starts to melt, just place a glass under the cap and drain the water. You can add more ice cubes at any time. The effect of this homemade air conditioner is fantastic. You'll feel the difference immediately. For years, people in Spain and Italy have placed a bottle of water by the window during hot weather. This simple trick helps reduce how quickly your home heats up and makes your living space much more comfortable on hot summer days. Just take a plastic or glass bottle and fill it with cold water, preferably straight from the refrigerator or with a few ice cubes to help keep the water cold for as long as possible. Then seal the bottle tightly and place it on the windowsill or as close as possible to the window that gets the most direct sunlight. Water heats up much more slowly than the surrounding air, so it can absorb some of the heat coming through the glass. As a result, the room doesn't warm up as quickly, and the indoor temperature stays more stable, more pleasant, and more comfortable throughout the day. It won't cool your home like an air conditioner, but it can make hot weather feel much easier to handle. You'll get even better results if you combine this trick with proper ventilation. Open your windows early in the morning or late in the evening when it's coolest outside. Keep them closed during the day and draw the blinds or curtains to reduce the amount of heat entering your home. Another good option is to hang a damp towel or bed sheet near an open window. As the water slowly evaporates, the passing air feels noticeably cooler, especially if there's a light cross breeze. Combining these simple methods can noticeably improve your comfort during hot weather, even if you don't have air conditioning. It's a small change that can make a surprisingly big difference on hot days.